How to make deviled egg. Deviled eggs are a favorite for any holiday meal, potluck, or party. If you're looking for a classic, no frills deviled eggs recipe, this is it. Ingredients: 12 large eggs, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard, 1/3 cup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon minced shallot or onion, 1/4 teaspoon Tabasco sauce, kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, paprika to taste. Directions: 1. Boil eggs. Fill a large pot with water. Bring to a boil over high. Carefully lower eggs into boiling water. Cook, undisturbed, for 11 minutes, 30 seconds. 2. Prep the eggs. Peel the eggs. Using a sharp knife, slice each egg in half, lengthwise. Gently remove the yolk halves and place in a small mixing bowl. Arrange the egg white halves on a serving platter. 3. Make the filling. Using a fork, mash up the yolks and add mustard, mayonnaise, onion, Tabasco, and a sprinkling of salt and pepper. Add more mayonnaise as necessary to get to the creamy consistency you want. 4. Pipe or spoon mixture into egg white halves. Pipe through a piping bag, star tip, or simply use a spoon to put the egg yolk mixture into the egg white halves. Sprinkle with paprika. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.